Some VIPs shop the wig sale early and got Kelly but don't know how to wear her, so let me teach you. Remove your Kelly from the box, adjust the adjustable straps to your comfort, and put your wig on. There's a comb in the back, so make sure you insert that. Pop out your ears to adjust your sideburns, and just use your fingers to play in it to figure out how you want to wear it. Now let's say you've been wearing it for a while and the curls done dropped and you want to figure out how to restyle it. All you gotta do is flat iron it. You're gonna need a comb, some clips to section off the hair, and your favorite flat iron, and you ready to style your Kelly. All Kellys are made with human hair, so you don't have to worry about any synthetic fibers melting when you're restyling your Kelly. But we don't want to fry the hair, so do not allow your flat iron to exceed 400 degrees. All Kelly wigs are razor cut, and since I carve a lot of layers into each Kelly wig, your style will fall back into place after flat ironing. So don't worry. At Elite Café, we're not just delivering a product. We're empowering confidence by providing the convenience of beautifully crafted, hassle-free hair care solutions. And that's why every wig that I make is glueless, eliminating the need of any type of adhesive, and arrives to your door ready to wear straight out of the box. I've already done all the work, so you don't have to. When you shop Elite Café, you don't have to do anything to achieve your ideal look. My mission is rooted in the belief that hair has the power to transform how people see themselves. And I am very proud to bring that vision to your doorstep, one wig at a time. Kelly is available in colors 1B and jet black. The Black Friday wig sale starts 11/15. Happy shopping, y'all.